predictive analysis shows a 20% increase in structural rigidity here.
That optimizes the towing capacity perfectly. Let's run the final simulation.
The chassis is holding up well against the wind shear, but watch the thermal output. Adjusting the cooling sequence now. Stress levels normalizing.
Shock absorbers and springs are mounted with precision, calibrated for both comfort and extreme load handling.
The powertrain assembly begins in a separate clean facility. Engines and transmissions are assembled using robotic torque tools.
The transmission system is paired with the engine, forming a complete power unit ready for installation.
The drivetrain component.
In the 8th step, production begins on the factory floor. Robotic arms weld aluminum and high strength.
In the 10th step, stamped panels are assembled into a full body shell. Robotic arms lift, align, and weld each panel together with millimeter precision.
Symmetry is perfect.
Alignment looks good here too.
Approved.
The car body is thoroughly cleaned. Automated washing systems remove dust, oils, and metal particles from the surface.
In the 13th step, the body shell is dipped into an anti-corrosion bath. Protective coatings cover every hidden...
In the 15th step, the luxury car receives its signature color. Robotic arms spray multiple thin...
In the 16th step, the painted body enters a heat-curing oven. Controlled temperatures bake the paint, hardening the finish and locking in color.
In the 8th step, the transmission and drivetrain are assembled. Gear sets, shafts, and differentials are installed.
In the 9th step, the painted body and rolling chassis are joined. The body is slowly lowered onto the chassis using synchronized lifts. Watch the thermal output. Adjusting the cooling sequence now. Stress levels normalizing.
including drive shafts and differentials, are installed and secured for long-term durability.
Advanced AI vision systems inspect the entire body shell, checking panel gaps, symmetry, and structural accuracy down to...
The body is submerged in an electrocoating bath where an anti-corrosion layer is applied evenly across every hidden cavity. Automated fastening systems secure the body to the frame using high-strength bolts, completing the truck's main structural integration.
Doors, hood, and tailgate are installed using robotic alignment tools that ensure smooth opening, closing, and perfect panel gaps.
Interior trim panels, center consoles, storage compartments, and premium finishes are installed.
Consistent airflow is critical. We use this smoke test to confirm the balance and filtration across all vents.
Brake testing systems simulate emergency stops under load, ensuring consistent and powerful braking performance.
Steering alignment tests confirm straight tracking and responsive handling at different speeds.
Camera and sensor calibration ensures accurate lane assist, parking assist, and collision detection performance.
Okay, the average lux is well within compliance for this sector.
Confirmed. The uniformity ratio also meets the safety standards.
Wait, look at this seam near the handle.
Yeah.
It meets tolerance. The craftsmanship is excellent. Approved.
Protective films are applied to sensitive surfaces to prevent scratches during transport.
All right, keep it coming straight back. Easy now, and hold it right there.
Wow, they really upgraded the interior. Check out this dashboard. This is exactly what I'm looking for.